In this video, I'll show you how to generate your Calendly API key step by step. This is perfect if you're a developer who wants to integrate Calendly into your apps, or if you just want more control over your scheduling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. First, head over to the Calendly homepage and log in with your account. Once inside, look at the menu on the left and click on Integrations and Apps. This section is where Calendly connects with other tools, so it's worth getting familiar with. Now use the search bar and type in API. You'll see the option for API and webhooks. Go ahead and click it. Inside, you'll find all the developer tools and resources for working with Calendly's features. Next, click on Get a Token Now. A prompt will appear asking you to give your token a name. This helps if you plan on managing multiple tokens later. After naming it, click Create Token. Calendly will then send a one-time code to your registered email. Enter that code into the field to verify your request. This step keeps your account secure. Once verified, your new API token will appear on the screen. Copy it and store it safely because this key gives access to your Calendly data. And that's it, you've successfully created your Calendly API key. Use it to connect Calendly with your apps, streamline your workflow, and make scheduling even easier. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.